guys, Rick here, Rick's Fishing and Leisure channel. This morning we've been up to Tongariro, fishing up the top reaches. It was pretty shitty conditions early on this morning. There was a lot of wind, it was blowing 7 bells, but managed to get some nice fish up there. Probably got about 12 or 13 fish in total. So we'll head back now and do some editing and see what we caught, and hopefully we've got some footage. We'll put it to you. Cheers guys. So, just whoa. There's a massive fish. No chance. Nowhere I can follow it. Come on. I'm bugging. I forget. So I just got absolutely dealt to by a massive rainbow. That was 8 pounds plus. Absolutely just tore off. Saw him jump 3 times and he just took me down. So my backing, and there's nothing I could have done about that. What a fish. Got both flies back, yeah, just pulled out. Wow, what a fish guys, what an absolute horse.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
Pretty horrid conditions. These are really strong. Wow, it's a storm basically. Southwesterly going through. It's very difficult to cast. Fish at all actually. Okay, not ahead. Fish. Big rainbow. really good fish. Hey, beautiful fish, but I'm running out of real estate. Let's get some line back on it. Hopefully it's taken a bit of sting out with those jumps. It's a good size. Starting to sort of win the battle, but it's just a little bit of a battle at the moment. Still could go pear-shaped real quick. The longer you leave it, the more chance it wears out of its mouth. I'm reluctant to change too many angles. It's really a good fish, this one. Come out of that deep stuff. Oh, this is not looking good. Come on. Come on. Okay guys, look at the stars of this. Okay, there's another beautiful fish there. Stunning fish. Gorgeous fish, absolutely stunning. Look at the size of that, beautiful. Okay, thanks buddy. Thanks so much. Safe travels, bud. Safe travels. Here he goes, making his way up. That was an absolutely amazing fight on that last one. It took me down to the head of the rapid there. You know, managed to be able to slowly bring you back up. Just basically you can't bully those big rainbows. You've got to let them do their thing. Wait for them to run out of steam a little bit. But anyway, we'll go and see if we can get another one. Bring them up nice and gentle. is cool. So cool.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
All natural on, eh? Shizzle. Good fish, I think. Came back upstream again. Not too worried about me hooking up. Right. Oh yes, beauty. Stonking fish, beautiful fish. That is a stunning fish in anybody's book. Look at that. Wow. That is gorgeous, mate. Beautiful. Just stunning. Alright, Gale. Gale. Really pleased with that hen. That was absolutely beautiful fish. Prime Tongariro winter run rainbow with close to 6 pounds. Absolutely just perfect. So we'll try and see if we can get another one. We'll put a natural on and let's see if we do the business.